The hallmark of any good digital measuring tape is accuracy. Modern technology has made it possible to upgrade even a tool as simple as the tape measure in powerful ways. There are many products available to choose the best digital tape measures, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bosch Blaze Pro 165 Laser Distance Measure. The Bosch Blaze Pro 165 Laser Distance Measure is our pick for the best overall digital tape measure. It's easy to use and features a durable keypad. One button operation will get you the measurements, and it works in real time, so it will continuously measure as you move. You can store up to 10 measurements for easy recall later, an automatic square calculation technology, and you can also add and subtract measurements right in the display. It's Bluetooth compatible and allows you to switch between fractions and decimal point measurement display. The only thing we could complain about is that the fractions are a bit small and hard to read. Despite this, we still think this is the best digital tape measure available this year. Number 2. General Tools 2-in-1 Laser Tape Measure. The General Tools LTM1 2-in-1 Laser Tape Measure is our pick for the best digital tape measure for the money. It features both a laser and old-fashioned tape. The laser is class 2 and can measure distances up to 50 feet accurately to within 1/4 inch, and the 16-foot tape measure is textured and retracts easily. Its compact size easily fits in your pocket, and it has a clip for your belt. The main downside to the General Tools LTM1 is that the display is upside down from the way you use it, so you must flip it around to read it. It's also a little hard to read, especially the fractions, because there is no backlight. Number 3. Leica DISTO 200 feet Laser Distance Measure. The Leica DISTO E7100i 200 feet laser distance measure uses a class 2 laser to get measurements that are accurate to within 1/16 inch. It uses very little power and can take up to 5,000 measurements before you need to change the batteries, and it can read distance up to 200 feet. The backlit display is easy to read, and continuous measurements allow for real-time readings. It's compact and durable and features helpful modes like min-max and area volume. There are more modes and options available via Bluetooth and a compatible smartphone app. The Leica DISTO E7100i is one of our favorite digital tape measures. The only problem we experienced while we reviewed it was that the Bluetooth compatibility needed some work, and the app doesn't seem finished or provide many useful features. Number 4. E-Tape 16 Digital Tape Measure. The ETAP E16 ET 16.75 decibel RP digital tape measure is digital in the sense that it helps you read the tape measure easier. There is no laser built into this device. The large display is easy to read, and it can hold the latest measurement in its memory short-term or long-term. It's capable of standard to metric conversion, and its polycarbonate case is ergonomic and durable. While the large digital readout of the ETAP makes taking measurements easier, there were a few things we don't like. It's expensive for a tape measure with 2 memory locations and no laser. It's not always accurate because you can pull the tape out too quickly to register. Finally, some of the cells burned out in our display, which made it hard to read. Number 5. Bosch Blaze Outdoor 400-foot Bluetooth Laser Measure. With the ability to measure up to 400 feet, the Bosch laser measure has the longest range of any models we've come across. Plus, it maintains 1/16 of an inch accuracy over that distance. Because sighting a small red dot at that maximum length can be difficult for the naked eye, a fitted camera allows users to zoom in precisely on the object being measured. The camera can also record up to 600 images with the included memory. It can send that data via Bluetooth to the free Bosch app on smart devices. The durable case includes an anti-scratch, shatter-resistant screen. A lithium-ion battery that can be recharged through a USB provides the power. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products.